What's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys how to do the Burble tune. I currently run this tune on my car. I do plan on getting an actual tune done to my car, so I probably won't even have the Burble. But I still have my Crackle because I do have a Borla exhaust, and that's just how the the exhaust on the car is. It does crackle. So to get started, you're going to want to click on your 18 Plus Accord 2.0, do factory, go next, pick the tune that you currently are running right now. You can also adjust your own tune, just the one you already put in. So for this, I'm just gonna do the factory stuff. So the stakes 2, do target 1. For me, that's what I use. And then you're gonna let that load up. Just give it a sec. Alright. You're gonna click on layout, click on here, condition base, and you got 2 tabs to work with. And you're gonna want to change 2000, these 2 first tabs right here, all the way down to 6900. And you're gonna want to click Control J, set it to -10. Now these are my settings. You can do it from -5 all the way up to -20. It's up to you. And then here you're gonna also do same thing, Control J, and my settings are -13. You can again -5 to -20. You want the other tab to be higher than what you had before. So if you have -5, you might want to put that -10. If you have -10, you want to do negative whatever, 13, 15, 20, whatever you want to do. And then you can just leave it like this, upload the tune, and you can just modulate the pedal. So whenever you're decelling, just press the gas right after, and it will burble. Depending on your exhaust setup, you do need an aftermarket exhaust. It's not going to work with the stock exhaust, mostly because it's just, I don't even know what to tell you, like, it's quiet and it has no tone to it. So you're definitely going to need to get something done to it. So you muffler delete, resonate delete, which I don't really recommend, doesn't sound good. I would rather get a custom exhaust done with bigger piping, all that stuff. And then you're going to go down to fuel cut settings. You're going to go to fuel cut delay. You're going to want to set these to 400. And that's what I run. You can do 1000. That's going to be leaving the fuel on for a second. You do 1500, that's a second and a half, and 2000, which is 2 seconds. And that's basically you just doing Need for Speed Heat, the crackle and all that, backfire and stuff if you want to. And that's all you need to do. And this will allow it to do it on its own. You don't have to modulate the pedal. You can still do the modulation to it if you want to, but you don't. After this, just does it itself. So I did want to also add that the current setup I have in my car is a PRL Catless Downpipe, a PRL Front Pipe. I have an ultra quiet resonator on the car, and I have the Borla exhaust. That's what works for me for my exhaust setup. If you guys want to copy that, go ahead. I mean, if you take the resonator off, it's going to be a little bit too loud. It does sound good, but it's just too loud for me, so that's why I added the resonator. But you will get the Burble. You can also get the thermal R&D, MagnaFlow, and a custom exhaust to get this to be done. The next clip, you guys are going to hear the little burbles when I'm in a standstill. You don't really hear it that much, but when you're actually driving, you do hear it. So you guys can see the next clip.